Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. We're going to get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast and free shipping. They'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully soon drones will be flying over us, but until then, they'll ship it normally and you guys could get this really fast. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And here we go. Just sit back and enjoy the ride, guys. Just take it easy. And that'll be alright. And we have here coming from LinkLike. Oh, these are nice. Can't wait to show you guys this. This is going to be the best earphones on Amazon right now. Selling out fast. Elite 10. If you want to be part of the elite, true wireless earbuds, number 10. For iOS, Android, I got the iPhone right here. Test that out. I just wish you guys could hear them. But trust me, once you read the specs on these, you'll be quite impressed. Smart touch control. I don't know if you guys could read that. Ultra long playtime. Oh, baby. So you guys get your workout in with these, no problem. Daily jogs, you know, ride the bike, play some hoops, take it out on the golf course, get a hole-in-one with these, no problem. LinkLike, true wireless. Ooh, nice packaging. I like the black and red. I'm liking this. That's what that looks like. Now we take her out and see the goodies at the bottom. Okay, comes with a nice little satchel bag travel pouch. I think this is USB. Boom, boom, boom. It's all done, that part. Now, hopefully your phone don't drop. Hopefully you guys can see. Sunny out, really sunny today. But oh yeah, here's the accessories. This is a USB cable, but it should be pretty decent charge when you get it. But just in case, be prepared. Always get one of those portable chargers. Oh, get some replacement ones too. That's a good bonus. There's a USB. Empty and manual. Should be easy for anyone to set up, so we don't need a manual right now. Nice little travel pouch or satchel bag. Alright guys, don't let the magic begin. And it's nice, got the name right here. LinkLike? Yep, LinkLike. Nice little egg-shaped case. Really lightweight. So you could definitely throw it in your front pocket, your shorts. This little case. Alright, let's get to the business right here. Whew, that was fun. Ta-da! Oh yeah, take these guys out. And just in case, you might want to remove a little plastic film protector. If I could do it one shot, that would be great. It's kind of hard to do it with gloves on, but there we go. Yeah. Ooh. Nice step to it. Yeah, these are really well made. We got these bad boys right here. One touch, right? What am I touching? Oh. Okay, gotta remove. Oh. See, that's what's this little blue piece right there. And then make sure you remove this one on here. As best as you can. Just make sure you don't black the connectors. There you go. Get off my finger. Oh, come on. Alright guys, get it together. That should be left to right. Oh yeah. She's a fully charged. This thing lights up, see right down there. There you go. Okay, so put that over there to the side. Now we got password. Not for you guys. Oh, Bluetooth. Sometimes I forget how to use this iPhone. I usually use the Galaxy Ultra phone settings. Oh no, one sec. Alright guys, got this pulled up. The Bluetooth settings, oops. Pull these out. Oh, it's ready. Pull that one out. And hopefully it's gonna scan it. There we go. Come on. Let's see if we can get it one shot. There they are. Link Elite 10. Bada boom. It is connected. Just like that. I'm going to try them on, but it's hard to let you guys hear it. But you guys got to take my word. These are the best ones right now on Amazon and on YouTube. You'll see. Yeah, down here they got the bottom right, and then the other side will be the left. Alright. Let's see how these sound. Whoa. So far, clarity sounds amazing. Here we go. Bass sounds good. Yep. These are a winner, guys. Check them out. TrueLink Wireless. Let me go over the specs really quick. Earbud battery capacity 60 mAh. Earbud charging time 1.5 hours. Playtime varies by volume level and content 5 hours. Talk time 4 hours. Recharge times of the charging case 3 times for the that's really good. Elite 10 Bluetooth 5.0. Working temperature 0 degrees 45 degrees Celsius. Bluetooth version I already told you guys. So definitely guys, I'm really impressed with these. And all you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check these guys out. Talk time 4.0. I think it is waterproof. Probably IP60. Yeah, we did the pairing, really easy to pair. And that was the iPhone I used to pair it up with. So, I think I covered pretty much everything. Especially the main parts. Talk time 4 hours, playtime 5 hours, Earbud charging time 1.5 hours, battery capacity 60, recharge times of the charging case 3 times. So if you want to put them together, it's like 3 times. Yep, that's about it, guys. We covered everything. Like I said, definitely check them out, guys. You guys will not be disappointed at all. Great stocking stuffers for this holiday season. Fast free shipping. Can't beat that. Give one to yourself, to your trainer. They will be really happy with these. Until then, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.